So when I came home, my sweetie had all these candles, all nice and lit up for me. First I got my cat, no you can't see it. See? Making a fancy romantic dinner. Looks pretty yummy if you ask me. We're probably going to eat in the dark with just the candle, but it's okay. Look at it. Oh, I'm blind! So yeah, that's what I got to come home to from a hard day's work. Thank you, honey.